Tashidale, my name is Pasang Sherpa and I'm from New York. Currently, I'm doing my master's in accounting at Queen's College. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity and wish His Holiness happy birthday, and I wish him for his good health, and I hope I get to see him one day and get his blessing. And also, I would like to thank Office of Tibet, Garrison Institute, all the Geshe-las and the Rinpoches for giving us such a wonderful opportunities, and also the whole staff for treating us so well in these 3 days. So talking about this retreat is very informative. Before coming to this retreat, I was thinking of Buddhism as just a way of practicing the rituals and being compassionate. But now, after attending this retreat, I'm more clear about what really being a Buddhist is. It's not just it's not just practicing the rituals, but being compassionate to yourself and to others, and being very loving and caring to whole human beings. And I hope the Office of Tibet will organize many more events such like this, and the students will attend. I also learned how to meditate and the techniques of meditation, and I hope I will continue doing meditation in day-to-day life. And I'm really thankful, and I really appreciate this opportunity. Thank you so much. Tashidale.